Hey, Chloe.
Hi, Daddy.
You want to help me cook? Do you know what we're making today?
Welcome to Cookin with Chloe.
Yeah, well you will. What's this?
Tomato.
It's not a tomato. It's close. It's a potato.
It's a close. It's a potato.
It's a potato. Yeah, so today we're gonna make steak fries.
Steak fries.
Yeah, they're delicious. It's a really easy dish and it goes great with whatever it is that you're grilling right now. So, we only need a couple things for our steak fries. We need some potatoes. I'm gonna use Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. You can get this in all your local grocery stores. We're gonna use some adobo seasoning and
Garlic.
not garlic, not this time. Just some olive oil. And then I'm gonna make a little sauce for them. They go fine with ketchup, so if you just like ketchup, it's easy. But I'm gonna take ketchup, sriracha, and some sweet chili sauce. And I'm gonna mix those together to make a nice dressing for the steak fries. Well, you ready to get started? All right.
Wash your potatoes and use a peeler to remove any bad parts. Slice your potatoes in half the only way, then into wedges.
So the first thing we're gonna do is coat them in olive oil, and we're gonna add our.
I can't put it in there.
Oh no, she's gonna put it in. Okay. Do you know how much?
20?
20? Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna shake. All right. So this is gonna kind of serve as salt, and this does the same thing. It's got other seasonings in there. I'll show you what's on the back so you can see what's in it. And that's enough. It really depends on how salty you like your steak fries. Uh-oh. Do you think we have coronavirus?
No, where's coughing?
We're coughing. Yeah, I think it was the adobo. All right, you want to get your hands in there and mix those up? Mix it. You know, it's not a fun one to mix. You gotta get in there like this. What? All right, Daddy will mix it.
Once evenly coated, put the wedges on the baking sheet with the skin side down. Put them in the oven at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right, we're gonna mix our sauce, and the ketchup is the base. The sweet chili sauce will give it some sweetness, and the sriracha will give it a little sweetness and also its heat. So you can put in as much of these as you want. Just kind of do it to taste.
This is sauce. This is all the sauce. This is all the sauce too.
Yeah, go ahead and mix it up.
While we wait, here was Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And here was an adobo seasoning. After about 40 minutes, they're finished.
Chloe, the steak fries are ready. You want to try one? Well, Daddy's gonna try one.
You will try one? Hot. Hot.
They just came out of the oven. Delicious. You want to try it? You gonna wait? Want to give it a bite? How is it?
Good.
You want to say goodbye to everybody?
Goodbye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.